Many people spend their entire lives caught in a constant loop of analyzing, judging, and planning. It is an exhausting way to live, treating every passing thought as an urgent reality you have to solve. Headlessness meditation provides a direct exit from that noise. It is an imaginative, contemplative awareness practice designed to pull your attention away from that constant internal commentary. To try this, first choose a quiet environment where you will remain undisturbed for the next few minutes. Sit on a comfortable chair, sit loosely cross-legged, or simply stand up. Keep your spine naturally upright, but avoid forcing your body into any rigid, uncomfortable positions. This playful shift in perspective unlocks immediate psychological spaciousness on command. Step 1. Settle into stillness. Close your eyes, take several slow breaths, and simply observe the physical sensations of your body without trying to change them. Now gently bring your focused attention upward. Pinpoint exactly where you feel your mind operating. Looking at this diagram of the body's attention, notice the high concentration inside the head. You will likely feel physical pressure, warmth, and the active, rapid stream of mental commentary centered behind your eyes. Observe those thoughts appearing and disappearing. Do not follow them. This top-heavy, localized tension is your baseline state. It is the physical manifestation of the assumption that you are permanently located inside your own head. Now introduce the central image. Playfully imagine that your head is entirely absent. There is no face, no skull, and no brain. Picture nothing but open, clear space existing directly above your neck. Shift your awareness downward. Imagine that the center of your perception has dropped out of that open space and settled squarely into your chest. Feel as though the physical act of seeing is occurring from the center of your chest. Feel as though the act of hearing is arriving directly into the center of your chest. Your entire sense of presence now arises completely from this lower, grounded center. If you struggle to literally visualize having no head, that is normal. Use the imagery lightly. The goal is the perspective shift, not perfect visualization. By moving your center of gravity downward, you detach from the machinery of thinking, replacing mental friction with a physical feeling of calm centeredness. Rest in this new chest-centered awareness. Notice sounds, physical sensations, and your breathing. Experience them directly without naming or analyzing them. Thoughts will inevitably return. When they do not fight them or try to force your mind to be empty. This visual represents how to handle that mental activity. Visualize your thoughts as objects slowly floating through a vast open sky. You remain the stationary observer, anchored down in your chest. You watch the narrative pass by, but you do not get pulled along with it. Directly experiencing this distance confirms your role as the observer. You are watching the thoughts rather than being lost within them. Allow that feeling of chest-centered openness to spread outward. Let the awareness flow into your shoulders, arms, abdomen, and down into your legs. Experience yourself as a unified field of awareness. To conclude the practice, take several deep breaths, feel the weight of your entire body, and gently open your eyes. If challenging your habits of perception leaves you feeling disoriented, simply focus your attention on the solid ground beneath your feet to re-anchor yourself. The quiet clarity you feel in this moment demonstrates that you exist independently of the rigid story in your head. You have just successfully stepped outside your fixed mental identity. This chart details a 21-day plan to solidify the habit. Spend 10 minutes a day focusing on the absent head imagery for week 1. Expand to 15 or 20 minutes focusing on chest awareness in week 2, and work up to 30 minutes resting in spaciousness for week 3. You can also practice a walking version to bring this state of mind into your daily routine. Walk slowly. Imagine your body moving naturally through space, with the head absent, keeping your central point of awareness resting firmly in your chest as you observe your footsteps and the air on your skin. Bookmark this video and return to it whenever you feel overwhelmed by a crowded mind. By regularly shifting your attention away from the thinking mind, you systematically dissolve overthinking. You trade the exhaustion of constant mental noise for the ability to experience life directly, freely, and peacefully.